Hello dear friend, in today's video we will learn how to use Gimp, how to design YouTube thumbnails inside Gimp. You know, Gimp is the best free open source photo editors. This is the best free open source alternative of Photoshop. If you don't want to pay monthly subscription 29 to 30 USD uselessly every month, dear friend, this software is perfect for you. You can avail most of the features which you use inside Photoshop. I know Photoshop is very costly, that's why they have research team, they always research, but this is the free open source software. With the help of our donation, this software is still existing among us, the best free open source photo editor Gimp, dear friend. So in today's video we will download and learn the basic interface of Gimp and design a YouTube thumbnail. All parts are very important, don't miss any part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to learn how to design beautiful YouTube thumbnail inside Gimp here. Gimp, it's a very famous GNU image manipulation program. After Canva, I made a YouTube thumbnails, lots of brochures here. It's a totally free. You can directly download here, click here, and it's available for Mac OS, Linux, Windows, for every system. You can download even from the Microsoft Store here. It's a great program. I like it too much, but it's a little bit complicated. You can donate here, participate. You can donate, participate. It's open source, so you can help and make it the softwares more advanced. Let's see how to use Gimp here. So dear friend, I have already downloaded. Just come to Gimp here. So once you open Gimp, you can see here create new. Just directly create new file here. Now you can resize right here 12. I just type 1280 by 720. Okay, now we have canvas here, and just take bucket tool. Shift plus B is a bucket tool. Here you can see there are lots of tools are available. From here you can directly know most of tools, everything. Shift plus B, I just click here. Shift plus B, I know the shortcut. Now you can change the color from here. For color you can change here from directly. You see here, just click and you can take any color. For example, I want to use this color for YouTube background here. Now just click here. Now you can see we have this color. It's a very easy. You can take any color, and now just okay. Now we take a photo. Now I have this photo. I take here and put to our canvas directly. Now you just click Shift plus A S and you can resize here. You see, resize directly from here. You see here, I can put here. Directly will drag here and put here. So once you put here, and this is the move tool here, you can move from here. Here you can see here. Okay, we have put here, and now we can drag other. For example, I have Gimp here. I have Gimp logo. We'll drag this Gimp logo directly to the canvas here. Shift plus S is a scale. Just you see here, we just drag here. Okay, and we take move tool here, and now we can type text here. For writing text, just here type T is a shortcut, and now you can see here we have text here. We just you see here, we'll drag here. Now we can type here, I want Gimp tutorial. It's not visible because our color is the same to the canvas. Select all here and we come here to change color, something like this. Okay, now we have changed the color. You see, now we have this color, and from here we have all the options here. You can see from here you can change fonts, everything, color, fill color you can add, outline and fill you can add. No, you know, in Gimp now you can add outline and fill, solid color. You see we have lots of settings available here. You can make it smaller, bigger. You can move, just select. This is the move. You can see M, this is the select tool. Once you apply any effect, you have to come here to just click here. Okay, and you can resize anywhere. You can put. No, Gimp is very easy to use, but it has more advanced tool as a photo editor. Krita is for digital art, digital painting plus photo editor, but this is the sole photo editor dedicated to photo editor. So I have worked in this software for a long time, so I know how to use this. Okay, now I want to color grade. Just come here to this. I have selected my photo, and from here you can see how we have so many options here. You can make color grade, color balance. I want to use here. So we have this. From here I can change. I want to change something cyan. You see here you can like change something like this, not too much. Too much will be very bad. Okay, like this. Okay, cyan and magenta you can add from here. You see you can give yellow effect to your photo here. Okay, this is the okay. I'm satisfied. Just click here. Color balance, you can take this brightness, contrast if you want to add. You see here, from here you can add brightness to make it smaller, bigger, contrast. Okay, advanced features are available here. You see tone mapping, map, desaturate, etc, RGB clips. Lots of options are available here. You have to explore the software. So in this way, dear friend, we can design inside Gimp here. The UI of Gimp is still complicated. You have to give time. I created a lots of YouTube thumbnails and designed several brochures inside Gimp. Here you can see all the keyboard shortcuts. If you want to learn Gimp, you have to learn all keyboard shortcuts. Then it will be very easy to use Gimp. You see all type of filters. There are lots of things are available. You can download third-party plugins which will make Gimp even more stronger and fulfill your requirements. Write me in the comment box which photo editor you selected for your daily work, which software is good for you, which is the best, which open source photo editors you like, and you can share this photo editor to your friends. Maybe they need such type of free photo editors and use for daily productivity. We meet in the next class with some new tutorial.